Hey guys, we have a quick unboxing to do. Today is the 12th of June. I will be having my surgery tomorrow, and this doll came just in time for my surgery and in time for my birthday on Saturday. So, of course, you hear Lola providing us with some background music, her slurping. Lola, relax. So, we're going to go ahead and see what's inside. It's been a very long week getting ready for this surgery. I have been pushing myself a little too hard, not sleeping and not taking care of myself and all that great stuff. So, I'm exhausted right now. That's why I sound this way. So, I have to do this unboxing. I have to bathe Lola. And then I can relax until tomorrow morning. Surgery is at 12. I have to be there by 10. So, yay. But luckily, hopefully, it's just an in and out situation. So, I should be back home Friday evening. Let's see. I'm looking for an invoice. There it is. Okay. So, I kind of got back into these dolls after my luncheon with Robert Tonner. I ended up getting some dolls back, and here we are buying new dolls. So, you guys ready to see who it is? Here we go. This is a ResinSoul BJD doll. So we ordered it from Denver Doll Emporium. They sent us some candy, which I will probably not be sharing with my son. Yes, I said it. It's my birthday, so it's my candy. Oh yeah, I forgot I did order a wig too. I think. Yeah, I probably put the wig in here too. So, okay, you guys. I don't know if I'll need this again. We might. So, but I think they might have put the wig in here with her. So, let's see. Yep. Oh, that's a pretty wig. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I hope. Lola, come on now. I hope she can rock the wig. So, here's our girl. Here is our quote-unquote COA. Let's put that stuff somewhere safe. Okay, let's see what's this say. The usual. Don't pull the wrapping off the hands. Cut it carefully. I think this is our third new ResinSoul /BJD. So we kind of know the routine. So kind of excited to see this girl because she was nowhere even on my list of dolls. I just happened to be looking and it was like, OMG, who is this girl? So, OMG, who is that girl? Oh my gosh, she looks so good, you guys. She will definitely need some new eyes, but that's nothing new with ResinSoul. They give you unique eyes, but oh my gosh, she is so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay. As you can see, she is the dark tan resin. Let's see how I can shield her face. I don't think I have anything. Oh yeah, you got that new body. That's why you look like that. Oh my goodness. Girl. I saw some new eyes. You were adorable. Okay, so I'm still gonna need these. You guys can't see what I'm doing. There's her hands. That's Zuki now. Jeez. I know it's hot, but goodness gross. There we go. So, this is going to be in the trash. Let's see if we can put that in. Close enough. Okay. So, you guys ready to see my baby? Well, first of all, look at the titties on this girl. She got bigger boobies than any of my other girls. So, ready to see you guys? Look at my baby. Not Yuzuki. So, this is she. X-I. I looked up how to pronounce it. Yes, I did. So, this is she. She is an elf, as you can tell. I have some eyes. I have lots of eyes, so we have to figure out which eyes I'm gonna like for her. But there's my little elf baby. Oh, I can't wait to dress her up and see what she looks like with eyes and a wig. She's so cute. Anyway, so that's my baby. I'm gonna play with her for a little bit and get her ready before you guys see her final look. But there she is. I hope you like her. Oh. Oh yeah, that is something that I wanted to test out. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to get her sueded and wired. It's been a while since I played with a ResinSoul, so, but I'll probably get her wired just because my other girls are wired. But this would be fun to play with someone who's not wired. So there she is. We're gonna play around, take some pictures, get her dressed, and you guys will see her later. So stay safe, keep watching, and we'll be back. Hey guys, look, we have a box. I am fresh out of surgery. Today is still the 13th of June, Friday the 13th. Yeah, no, I must have been crazy to have surgery on Friday the 13th, but the fibroids had to go. Luckily, we only had one big one, size of a football, so it's out. I am feeling like bleep, so I'm trying to distract myself, think about something other than the pain. So I thought it would be a great time to open this little girl. I guess I let it out that it's a little girl. But let's go ahead and get her open, see what she looks like. Of course, she was delivered to the house probably 15 minutes before they wheeled me down to the operating room. So I had to send a message to my son telling him that she was outside, go get her ASAP. So he brought her in for me. Oh, you guys, your girl is not feeling good at all. I can kind of see why they said recovery would be 4 to 6 weeks, because oh my goodness, you guys, every part of me hurts. It hurts to inhale. I don't know what they did, but my left hip that got replaced back in 23 has been hurting me ever since the surgery was over and they had me try to walk on it. Let's see how we can open this without cutting myself. Goodness. You guys can't even see, Lord. Let's see if I can cut this notch out. That's what's stuck. Okay. We get it? Kinda. So, but we survived, you guys. We survived our surgery on Friday the 13th. And all the nurses were like, can't believe you decided to have surgery the day before your birthday. But they're like, it's really crazy when people actually have surgery on their birthday. It's like, yeah, I can believe it. I mean, I was a little fearful having surgery before my birthday, but luckily, everything turned out great. And we're still having problems opening this box. Okay, let's see if this solves the problem. Here we go. Okay. Maybe not. Lots of tape here. Okay, finally. So, I know it says ResinSoul on the front, but supposedly from the research that I did do on this doll, I think she is a Bobobi doll for ResinSoul. Don't, quote me on that, but I think she's a Bobobi for resin. So, oh yeah, I did order stuff for her, yes. So I was having so much problems putting eyes in the new girl. She came with, I think, 14 millimeter eyes, but they were kind of small, and since I only have smart dolls and regular SD BJDs, no one actually has a larger eye than the 14 millimeter. So that was fun to figure out, but we did it. She looks cute. You guys will get to see her later on when we complete this unboxing. I'll take pictures of both of the girls so you get to see them. Let's remove this invoice so you guys can't come to my house. It was a double invoice. Oh yeah, it was a double order. I ordered the doll, and no, what I did was I ordered her wig and her eyes, and I was going to order her later on this week. And then when I went back to look at her, there was only one doll left, and I was like, oh no, that cannot happen. So we went ahead and ordered her. So this little beauty is exactly that, a little beauty. She is a YOSD, and oh my god, you guys, I would have loved to take this cutie to the hospital with me. She is absolutely adorable, you guys. Oh my gosh, ResinSoul Bobobi. This is what I needed. Has some sanding marks on her forehead. But look, you guys. Is she not the cutest little thing? I so love her. Oh my goodness. Look at her, you guys. Oh my god, I'm in love. Anyway, let's go ahead and properly unwrap her hands, because we follow instructions. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to get you... Well, I might get you wired so you're like everyone else, but... Oh my god, you guys, I'm so happy. See? Open a doll, your pain still stays. but it's not as bad because I have her and she's so cute. And now I have to figure out how to take this off of her. Okay, this one isn't stuck, so we can do a simple unwrap. Okay. I'm gonna throw you in the trash. Let's see, can we do that with this one? No, so we'll have to cut it. Always worrying about cutting. Here we go. Maybe. Yeah, here we go. Almost. There we go. A little bit stuck on her hand. That is trash. Oh my gosh, she is absolutely adorable, you guys. So now our little Fee has a friend. Yay. So they actually surprised me with the eyes because most times they send either the yellow alien looking eyes or it's like a brown golden color. So these are actually nice eyes. I won't be keeping them for her. Maybe. And I ordered her these eyes. I've never ordered eyes from Denver Doll Emporium before, so this is a new experience. So these, let's see, can we get some more light? Okay, so and now we're going to zoom. So those are the eyes that I got for her. I think, I don't know, I might have gotten the right size, I don't know. So this is the pair of eyes I got for her. And let's zoom, come on now. That's what I hate about zooming, it doesn't work always. Okay, so we got her some eyes, and I got her a wig. That's one thing. I did not make her an outfit because she is supposedly slimmer or skinnier than Little Fee. So I want to get her here and then we can go ahead and figure out her outfit. But I absolutely love her. Where's her thing at so I can show you guys who she is. So she is the YOSD Isabella sculpt. I'm not doing much changing of her name. I'm just going to call her Izzy and, you know, keep it simple. So here is our Miss Izzy. I'm going to play around with the eyes to see what the new eyes look like on her. Hopefully be able to find something for her to just throw on real quick because a girl is not in any condition to be trying to sew right now. But there's our new girl. I absolutely love her. And that's it, you guys. I do not know when I'm going to get a chance to actually completely edit and post the birthday unboxing, but I mean, today's Friday the 13th. Tomorrow's my birthday, so hopefully sometime next week I'm feeling a little better and I can go ahead and dress Izzy and take some pictures of her in the photo booth. I already took pictures of the first doll, so she's all set. But since we were just doing Izzy, I have to finish her up. But I absolutely love her. She would have been the perfect cheer me up in the hospital because she's just so small. That's why I got her, because of her size. I wanted... Oh, my voice is terrible. I'm sorry, you guys. But I wanted a nice little compact doll that I can just take around. I'll have to test out her standing because, you know, BJDs can be a little hinky. But recently I've been having them wired, and this time I found someone who's able to go ahead and suede them. So at some point I'm going to send Izzy off. It's not going to be anytime soon because I don't think I can just send her off. I mean, the time frame is like 3 weeks for her to be complete with the other dolls, so I'm going to keep her for a little bit because she's just too darn cute. But there's my girl. Absolutely love her. Yeah, I mean, I love her. So that's it, you guys. As always, keep safe, keep watching, and we will talk to you guys later. Come on now, start recording. Hey guys, we have a box to open up. This just came in from UPS, so let's see what's inside. So today is, what is today? June 17th. So this is like day 4 from me having surgery on Friday. I am still very achy. Just achy, trying to manage the pain, trying to not take the hard drugs and just take Tylenol and ibuprofen, but whew, still need the scissor thing. Okay, so this is a doll that I traded. I had a Smart Doll pair body. I traded the body for this doll, and the difference in cash, of course. So we have another Babobi / ResinSoul doll. Let's open her up and check her out. Hi, Capone. I got it. Thank you. Nosy little boy. Definitely smell that resin. Wow. Yeah, you are a new girl. Jeez. Okay, let's get you out of this bag and check her out. Now, let's see. Okay, so this is going to be Lena in light tan with the company face up from ResinSoul. Sorry, ResinSoul and Denver Doll Emporium. Capone, you put drool on her, you little boy. Okay. So, let's get some light. Okay. So, originally we have the dark tan in Lena, but this girl was available and her previous owner was not bonding with her, and I said, I'll take her. I love my Lena sculpt. So here she is. Definitely gonna get her some new eyes, but I definitely like the sculpt. So here she is. She looks good. Check her hands out. Hands look good. Feet look good. Yeah, everything looks good on her. So I can go ahead and let the previous owner know that I received her and she looks great to me. So this will be our 3rd girl for my birthday. Yay us. So we have Lena, we have Isabella, and we have She. So gonna have to find them some clothes since their body is a little slimmer than Minnie Fee, and we will hopefully have a group picture of all 3 of the girls, but She definitely needs some new eyes. So that's it for this unboxing. Stay tuned for the final pictures of all 3 girls.